In this video, I'll show you how to add a home button on your iPad 11 with the A16 chip. This way, no matter where you are in the menus or in an app or a game, by tapping this button, you'll come back home. And when you do not need that button, it almost disappears. Step number 1 is to tap on the settings icon of your iPad. Then on the left side over here, you're going to select accessibility. Go down until you see physical and motor touch. Select touch and make sure that assistive touch on the top is turned on. So you're going to click and enable it. Automatically you're going to see this button appearing, a button that you can literally place where you want on the edge of your screen. So let me place it in the middle, as many people will wish. And as you see, after a while, this button almost disappears, so it will not be on your way. Now, go over here where you see custom action, and you can customize this button to be a home button or anything else you want. So click on single tap, go down and select home. And right now, the button has been transformed into a home button. If I tap on it, I'll go home, no matter where I am on my iPad. If I go back in this menu, you'll be able to customize it even further. So you can select what does a double tap do, because it can do something else. And even a long press can do a third thing. If we go down below, you can also have idle opacity. At the moment is at 30%, but if I lower it to, let's say, 15%, which is the lowest, the button will be even less visible when you do not need it. When you need it, simply tap on it and it will appear and work right away. So this is it. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, subscribe, like, and also leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.